Episode 1. Oh, class of her battle. Jabba the Hutt is here. Okay, everybody, so let's welcome our leader. So, everybody, today we'll have more surrounds and more guards. Okay, so let's introduce our new friends, everybody. Our first friend is Jakwa. He's one of the Japanese Kushimas. Hello, I'm Jakwa. Hey, I want to join your team, even though I'm a part of the good side. What? You come now, child, and we'll bless you to the dark side. Wait, is that good? Like I'm going on to the dark side? Yes. Yay! By the power invested of the lightsaber, I invest you, the dark side. The dark side team. The dark side team. Sideline. Oh. And you're like, woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! 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 Oh my gosh, that was like such a beautiful talk. Baraka. Wait, no, this is a Mortal Kombat. Yes. Oh yes, Chewbacca. Oh wait, no. Okay. I hope I got it this time. Chewie. Oh, okay, Chewie. War. I think that's white. Think that's white. Is it white? Yes, it's white. Okay, that's good. Wait, who's that guy walking in right now? Hi, everybody. Are you the gangster Mickey? No, I'm the captain of the ship that you're gonna be riding. No, brother. I am the captain. After Luke and Darth Vader both died. You don't even know how to say it. Yeah, but Luke and Darth Vader both died together. But since Luke and Darth Vader did not die together. Well, then where? Of that ship. Well, then where did they go? They got lost in the woods, and now they're camping out by a fire. I saw them. No, they didn't! They did it! They really did it! Oh, really? They're dead? Yeah, that's perfectly sense. Now I'm gonna fly my ship. Jerk. And I have this giant ship! Cool. Who really cares? Hey, Chewie. Hey, Chewie. War! Go kill yourself. Pit. Because it's not such of a big deal. Now go stand in that line, and we're gonna introduce all of our new Jedis. We got Yay! Okay, I'll stop. Now we have Takafoto Ugahiti. Hello, Shante. And then we have twin brothers George and Fred Hakabutu of Nazareth. Mention Zentos! I'm George! Azraf Mention Zentos, baby! Who am I? You are a Wookiee. No, my name's Joey! Oh. My name's Joey Flintstone. I didn't know that your name was Joey. Yeah. Okay. And his name is Joey. Yes! Transferred from the good side to the bad side, boy! Everybody clap now! Now, that was the worst. Onto the ship of the battle stations. Nope. Hi, and pretend that everybody got into line. That was the worst clap ever. Okay.
Everybody to the ship.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, you can talk? Oh, yeah. Sorry. I had to play around with you, Chewie, by just making my own voice for you.
I'm to the dark side and no one's gonna stop me. Either way, you're not seeing the last of me into the dark side. I'm going to the ship and no one's supposed to play, so yeah.
Okay. Well, we have a new person to fight, and now there's only 4 of us. Hey, what about me? I said 4 of us, cause Obi-Wan. Oh yeah, I'm Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan. The only one. Obi-Wan. DJ Obi. Wani. I'm Yoshi, cause I'm an Obi, Yoshi. Wait, I'm gonna be a part of the good fight again. Bye. Bye. Okay, everyone. Okay, I'm joining your team again. No way, please. Okay. Ugh. Well, what are we gonna do with Chewie here? War! Kill him? War! Well, Chewie's gone. Forever. I'll go get him. Obi-Wan, you come with me. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna stay here and stay guard on you. Oh no! Enemies! Attack! You stay right here! Dead! Your buddy's dead. Now I'm gonna kill you. Wait! Got Chewie back. How did they drop down? We don't know. DJ Obi-Wan, attack! No, DJ Obi-Wan! You killed our DJ Obi-Wan.
Well, I guess he had a good son.
Now we'll kill you! Your cap fell off.
Okay.
Well, at least we know this for memory. For the time. Wait, guys, let's make a bring people back to alive machine. I'm gonna call it a reviving machine. I just said that before. Wait. This time Chewie can actually talk. Chewie? Okay, yep, Chewie can talk. So he's like lied to us this whole time? Yep. Wow.